This is Kaminaljuyu. It's a Mayan sculpture from the 7th century. And this is an animation I made. The original sculpture is like on the right. The person is facing up with a conch, a shell on the head. And I invert the person, I turn him around. I'll show you how I did that. And then he bows over. Now, you might think, well, that's something I did, but I think this is what the ancients did. And I just did what they designed. The original sculpture looks like that, the full sculpture. And so he's looking up, stretching towards the shell, and then that spiral coming out of his mouth means he's talking. So those cells that I made of each one off of the original, all I did was invert. I made 2 copies of the sculpture, and then I inverted them left and right like that, and just moved them. And as you move them, you get the different positions. And to me, that is why it's designed, the original is designed in a twisted manner.